Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the left side as I will put on the right. Next, we can do about factorization by s. This one by side s. Next, we can do another factorization by 1 plus cosine x. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s plus sine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 1 plus cosine x ds. This one we have number 1 first derivative of sine x, we have cosine x. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of u, we have u square over number 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.